Listen, it's on. It's on.
Hey, you don't fall asleep at the shop, right? Don't fall asleep.
It's about to go down. It's about to go down.
Bro. Huh? What? Forget it! Forget it! The jig is up! It's so hot in here, dude. How do you sleep in here? I'm sorry. Alright YouTube, with this haircut, I'm going to start by pinning up the hair on top. I'm doing that so I can get the hair out of the way so I can have a clear visual on my fade. So after you have the hair all pinned up, you want to brush down the hair. Make sure that hair is laying down in place. The worst thing you could do is start on a fade without brushing it. Alright, you want to keep everything laid and as neat as possible. That way your fade will come out as neat as possible. So right here in the ridge of my client's hair, there's some areas that, you know, haven't been hooked up to that dread part. So right now I'm just picking it out, making sure everything is, you know, stretched out. So to start off the first guideline, I'm setting in my bald line using my Andis cordless T outliners. And again, I'm using the outliners because, again, it's about being neat. And this is the best way to set in a line. That way it could come out as neat as possible. So using my wall magic clips, I'm gonna bald out the rest of the bulk at the bottom. Using my Babyliss Rose Gold FX with the lever open, I'm going up about 1 inch and I'm making sure that I keep it consistent all the way through. So using the one guard with the lever open, I'm going up again about 1 inch, making sure I keep it consistent all the way through. With the 2 guard open, I'm scooping out, cleaning up that bulk area at the top, making sure that I don't go too far into the dreads. So dropping back down to the 1 guard open, I'm cleaning up that area between the 1 and a 2, kind of like in a flick out motion. Now putting on that half guard with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. So lastly, I grabbed my wall cordless seniors with the lever closed and I'm flicking out that bottom line. Now the reason why I grabbed my walls is because it gets a lot closer, meaning that my wall are more zero gap than my Babyliss Pro clippers. I don't know how to make the Babyliss clipper more zero gap, so I just skipped that step on trying to figure it out. So I just went with my walls. So here I'm going to take out my clips. I'm going to pick it out a little bit more and do some freehand. So right now I'm pinning my client's hair with some duck clips, so that way I can prepare and move everything out of the way for the lineup. YouTube, this is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you want to know where you could find any tools that you've seen in this video, make sure you check out the links in the description below. Also, if you like the beat, make sure you go over to HustleDreamProduction. His YouTube channel will also be in the description below. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.